GAC, formed in connection with the abduction of 2 youths by Kuki militants, has taken various resolutions after holding a public meeting in Laisangthim today. The GAC, along with people, have decided to start various democratic agitations as government have failed to fulfill its assurances to rescue the 2 youths, Oinam Thoithoi of Laisangthim Awang Laikai and Thokchom Thoithoiba of Khekman Maning Laikai, who were abducted by Kuki militants on September 27th. The GAC had served an ultimatum to government to ensure for the safe release of 2 youths by 1 p.m. today. It further warned that Manipur Government Center and Security Advisor will be held responsible for any unwanted consequences that resulted due to these agitations.
Haukiba tang kuntaret thamapan 2024 dagi mafam khangdana leirakhiba angang ani oinam thoithoi amadi thokchom thoithoiba mit marini suraba asida GAC na government da thamjakhiba demand sing amadi government na aikhoida pirakhiba thajaba ado hojik phawbada thabakta onthoroktabana makha taba lo na jaba khongjang makhan makha kaya Manipur da laibiriba miyam ga khusam naraga changsil lagani